Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Dodge Challenger versus BMW M8 full comparison. Follow along as I break down performance, comfort, tech, and value so you can decide which fits your driving style and budget. I'll highlight engine feel, handling, practical daily use, running costs, and common ownership trade-offs. Stay tuned for quick data points and real-world impressions to help you choose between muscle car character and refined Grand Tourer performance. Let's start with engine and performance comparisons so you know what to expect on the road. We'll compare horsepower, torque delivery, acceleration feel, and how each car communicates at speed. Expect clear numbers, subjective driving impressions, and practical notes about daily usability and fuel considerations. I'll point out where raw power meets usable grip and when comfort sacrifices affect performance, helping you weigh thrill versus composure for everyday driving choices. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like so we can keep sharing detailed car reviews. Also, a lighthearted plug for the product seen here. Bento Box make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that fit trunks and picnic plans. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab these containers. I appreciate every like and comment. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Next, I'll cover interior, technology, and ownership cost so you understand comfort and long-term value. We'll review cabin materials, infotainment responsiveness, seating ergonomics, and cargo practicality as measured by realistic use. I will also compare estimated running costs, typical maintenance notes, and resale considerations to illustrate total cost of ownership. By the end, you should have a clear picture of lifestyle fit and which car better matches your priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.